Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Fun for Kids, a cartoon and educational channel for kids learning and fun. Please like, subscribe, press the bell icon to see more updates about our channel. Please give a thumb up to this video. A Helpful Sparrow, an episode of English cartoon series by Fun for Kids.
The sparrow is helping a lost rabbit to find its way home. The sparrow sits on a branch.
The sparrow is showing a thirsty deer where to find water.
The sparrow is helping two squirrels find food. The sparrow shows them where to find acorns. The squirrels gather them happily. They are all in a lovely green forest.
The sparrow is flying with a young fawn guiding it through the forest. The fawn looks happy to follow the sparrow's lead. The forest is full of green trees.
The sparrow is helping ants by showing them where to find food. The sparrow sets up a small picnic with leaves and seeds for the ants to enjoy.
The sparrow is leading a group of ducks to a safe place by the water. The ducks follow the sparrow, trusting its guidance. The forest is green.
The birds and animals look up to the sparrow with smiles, enjoying the beautiful song.
If you like this video, please press the like button. Goodbye.